Always respect the traffic rules, whether someone is there or not, whether someone's watching or not. Maybe I'm the only one who's stopping here. Empty now, so I can enjoy this ride better. Oh, squids. So what's the story behind this exclusive kind of memorabilia helmet? Paji will share.
I got this from UK. Lotus cars के showroom में गया था.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे लाए.
So उनका racing team वाला helmet.
I think yes. It's too good, na?
It's too awesome actually.
It's a collector's item.
Yeah.
मैंने कुछ 4-5 साल घर पे रखा था कपड़े के अंदर.
अच्छा.
अभी रिवील किया है. ये नहीं.
So exclusive content here, right here at Dino's Vault. Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault. Surprise, a night vlog from Mumbai and right from Swaran Paji's headquarters. And here we have Manjeet Bhai, Swaran Paji's best friend and a very lovely person, warm-hearted, lovely smile. And today I'm going to take this bike, the first C400 GT, the maxi scooter delivered in India by Shiva sir himself, and the lucky owner, of course, Swaran Paji, and my bestie and biker brother JS Paji was there for this delivery. And look at the headlamps right here, they look absolutely stunning. The 4 LEDs up front, massive road presence, telescopic shock absorbers, 349cc water cooled fuel injected engine, around 34 PS of max power, and twin shock absorbers at the back, maxi scooter styling, long wheelbase, ultimate luxury, great features and ultimate comfort. And the chassis structure is brilliant. Even the speedo console is awesome. So first let's allow Manjeet Paji to show a unique feature that is true to the scooter this about safety.
Features, we can call it a safety feature also. We can see, this is the helmet case.
Yeah.
If it's down, what's up? Yeah. See, this is down to put the helmet.
Yeah.
One helmet, full size helmet ka sit.
You can be, yeah, sit over here.
Down.
Okay.
And you are riding the bike.
Okay.
Bike won't start.
Okay, so it will sense that the
bike will tell you helmet is still inside. So please wear the helmet.
Okay, okay.
So to ride it, this is the button.
Okay.
Yeah. Just pull it and pull it up. The sound will come.
Okay.
Now you're good to go.
Okay, chalo, let's hit the road.
That's the features and safety features also.
Yeah, it has stability control, ASC, automatic stability control, and other lot of safety features to make it one of the safest, most stable and most trustworthy scooters. Other specs will follow. For now, let's swing our leg over. Let's ride through the night here in Mumbai. The key fob is with me. The display is amazing. You have the massive GT display and the animation right here, and you can get into the menu where you can get all the statistics about the service, the range, engine temperature. You have the onboard computer giving you the range, the average speed. You have the trip computer and service due reminder. Now getting back to the main menu, now we are in urban mode. This is another this thing display, I guess. We'll go back. We have navigation, media, telephone, Bluetooth connectivity. Here you have the settings. You have the vehicle settings, system settings, date and time and other details, vehicle settings. You have connection, display, information and everything else. So let's get back. The most important thing is how does it feel to ride. So let's get started on this amazing night ride, which I'm gonna enjoy every moment of. It's around 214 kgs and the power and torque delivery is very smooth and linear. You have a nice lower lumbar support, and here you have the yellow color Bentley. Absolutely gorgeous. There's another Mean Machine coming soon to Swaran Paji's garage. Here is Manjeet's Versys 650. But for now, we're going to head out onto the streets and ride this as I give you the review of the C400 GT, the proper maxi scooter coming from the house of BMW Motorrad. Off goes Manjeet Paji, and off I go, trying to follow him on the C400 GT. Oh, great stability, amazing comfort. The light spread on this is brilliant as well. The 4 LED lamps up front with the DRLs, absolutely kick-ass, clearly making a statement that this is a premium offering by all means. And this was the first C400 GT to be delivered here in India. You guys might have seen Paji's vlog, and Swaran Paji, man, is made of pure golden heart. Such a lovely person, and he has a taste to pick something very exclusive, very different from when compared to others. And this one is so exclusive, so different, and so premium. The acceleration is nice and punchy. You don't feel that it's just a single cylinder 350cc motor. This feels massive, gives you the feeling of a higher capacity maxi scooter, almost the class of 650 class, 650cc class scooter. That's how massive this thing is. 214 kgs. The weight perfectly distributed across the chassis structure to offer perfect balance and handling characteristics, and the kind of perfect choice for you to commute through the city. Unparalleled comfort. Suspension is also very well sorted. Woo-hoo-hoo. What a night. The night comes alive tonight as we blaze through the streets of Mumbai on BMW Motorrad's meanest of machines. So let's stop at the stop signal. Always respect the traffic rules, whether someone is there or not, whether someone's watching or not. Maybe I'm the only one who's stopping here. But what an amazing feeling. The night comes alive for me. 3, 2, 1, go. It just glides over the potholes effortlessly. The foot space, look at the leg room, huge amount of leg room for taller riders like Manjeet Bhai or my brother Jayesh Paji. So this is absolutely fantastic.
Oh, being gentleman.
It's absolutely awesome, sir. Wow, the lower back support is what I absolutely love, and the throttle response is nice and crisp, and what you would expect from a premium scooter. It doesn't feel laggy, or it doesn't feel sluggish. It's there for you when you twist the throttle. Of course, you have ABS and automatic stability control. The ultimate safety features to watch your back at the end of the day. The wheels offer superb stability, high-speed stability, as well as better flickability. That's the beauty of this chassis. Twin shock absorbers at the back, twin telescopic forks up front. Telescopic forks up front. This is a complete joyride for me. Absolutely loving every moment of this. Oh, Manjeet bhai is absolutely flying on this machine. We gotta behave ourselves. Oh, what a ride it's turning out to be. Manjeet bhai riding through the streets, or the back roads you can call it, at night. It's virtually empty now, so you can enjoy this ride better. Oh, squids. A lot of squids just ravaging through the city. Guys came out of nowhere now. And off we go. Thank God. The mirrors are again easily adjustable, offering nice and good field of view, decent field. They're not huge, they complement the futuristic design of the scooter. Man, this is something different, something unique, a different breed you can call it. Is it worth around close to 12.8 lakhs is something that's a question mark, because for what it offers, maybe a CKD version with a lower price tag would have been something interesting, something different. But this is ultra premium kind of segment, super premium and super exclusive we could call it. Got a nice healthy ride on this to test it to my heart's content. I hope you enjoyed this night motovlog as well, riding through Mumbai on a super exclusive machine. So what do you think? Where does this sit? And do you think it will be an interesting proposition given the heavy price tag that BMW Motorrad has slapped on this? Yes, it is special, it is a different breed, it is unique, it oozes premium feel, but the price tag feels a little too much for me. What do you guys think? Feel free to comment below and let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.